Santa Luc to Port Huron 5 nanometers offshore to Oz Canadian border. Port Santa Luc to Port Huron, Michigan, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles southwest of Lexington to 10 nautical miles southwest of Lake Port near St. Clair, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lakeport around 4:45 p.m. Lexington around 4:55 p.m. Port Santa Luc around 5. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Rest of tonight, mostly cloudy.